So I've gone and bought a new bike. Modern eh? Gone modern. Apparently it's the way forward, modern. I don't know, I like my old bikes as well, to be honest. There's now like the feeling of getting on an old two-stroke. But obviously with my 253MA being laid up at the moment, I thought I would go out and treat myself to something new. And people keep barking on about modern bikes, so I thought I would get a modern bike and see what they're like. And I have to admit, I absolutely love this bike. This bike is absolutely fantastic. Just listen to that. It sounds absolutely amazing. It handles fantastic. It's a real lot of fun. I'm actually still running it in. It's getting a bit of a hard run in, to be honest. But I'm loving it. I got rid of the original system that coming at the original exhaust system. I got rid of the original system pretty much straight away because well, yeah, it does sound a lot better with this on. She's a beast. She's a beast. She sounds an absolute beast. So yeah, just out riding, enjoying really, getting a bit of practice in. Not really done much riding for a long time. I get out on the 253MA a bit, but not enough to really keep up my riding skills. So it's nice to get out on a modern bike and just practice my riding skills. But yeah, if you're looking to get a new bike, or a first bike, a good first bike, moving up from a 125, this would be a hell of a lot of fun for you. It's a hell of a lot of fun for me, to be honest, and I'm quite an experienced rider. I'd say I've been riding for a lot of years now, 20 plus years, and I am having a lot of fun with this bike. So yeah, that's the R7. Brand new, just over 100 miles on the clock. What we on? Don't know if you can see, 123 miles there. So yeah, still running it in. 60th anniversary, 60th World GP model. So these, I think they're limited numbers, limited edition. Absolutely fantastic colour scheme. I love this colour scheme, as you can imagine. I like all my retro bikes, my old retro Yamahas and that. So this is another fantastic bike to my collection. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of this bike. Comment what you think of it. I'll do some more videos of it as I'm riding. I'm just trying to enjoy it at the moment. One thing I'll say, it's just my luck. I actually got a puncture within 50 miles of riding this bike. I had a screw in the rear tyre, so I was a bit pissed off with that. I bought another tyre. I managed to get one trade, so it wasn't too bad. So yeah, it's on Bridgestone S22s, fantastic tyre. They're a really good tyre. So yeah, it comes with them on. Yeah, not much more to say, to be honest. I'm just out enjoying it. What a beautiful day it is. Look at this. One of my favourite places up here. Come up here, get away from everything, ride up the dales. I have a few routes I do. I just ride on my own. Just a bit of me time. Also bought a new helmet. So I was looking at helmets and I got this HJC helmet, carbon fibre, so about the best you can get. The carbon helmets, carbon shells. Love this helmet. It has got a sun visor with it as well, although I've not got it on today. And I've got my action cam on the front, so I can do some videos and for my own safety as well. So I have had a really bad accident a few years ago, and it has affected my riding, should I say. So I didn't have a camera on me when it happened, and I really wish I did, because it would absolutely have changed everything. That accident I had, it's pretty much changed my life. I've got some bad damage on my lower left leg and my collarbone. It'll never be the same. and I really wish that I'd had a camera, because it would have proved a lot of things different. Anyway, that was that. So yeah, I'm going to do a bit more on the bike, get a few more miles on that engine. I hope you've liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.